closures. Some schools in Los Angeles are closed due to the storm. City response. Emergency Operations Center. The city's Emergency Operations Center is activated to coordinate response efforts. Sandbags. The city has distributed thousands of sandbags to residents to help protect their homes from flooding. Evacuation shelters. Evacuation shelters are open for those displaced by the storm. Safety precautions. Stay informed. Follow official news, sources, and weather updates for the latest information. Avoid flooded areas. Do not attempt to drive or walk through flooded areas. Be aware of mudslides. If you live in a fire-scarred area, be prepared to evacuate if necessary. Secure loose objects. Strong winds and heavy rain can cause damage to property. Check on elderly neighbors. Ensure that elderly or vulnerable individuals are safe and have access to necessary resources. Note: the situation in Los Angeles is evolving rapidly. For the most up-to-date information, please refer to official sources such as the Los Angeles Fire Department, the city's Emergency Management Agency, and local news outlets.